morning. We've got a Vauxhall Astra. It's got a rough idle. As you can see, the revs at idle are jumping. The work we've done to it already was we've cleaned the fuel tank out. It was full of gunk. Changed the fuel filter, and we've added a fuel treatment additive, which actually fixed the problem for about a week. However, the problem came back, so we're here to diagnose it further this time. So in some instances this car actually stalls, as you can see. Even if I hold the revs a bit higher, still runs really rough. Like sometimes it almost stalls. So what we'll do is we'll come to check the fuel rail pressures. So we'll put the common rail fuel pressure and the desired common rail fuel pressure on a merged graph. As you can see, the blue line represents what the pressure should be, and the green line represents what the actual is. This should be pretty much on line with the desired fuel pressure, and it shouldn't be surging, which is a real good indication that the fuel pressure regulator has decided to go bunkers. So we'll quickly change that. Regulator is out. As a note, make sure that you take the gasket off before you put the new one on. There's actually a gasket that goes on here, which I shall show you. By the way, it's held in with two 5mm hex keys or hex bolts. So that's the old one, and it's going to have a gasket on there like this, so make sure you take the old one off before you put the new one on. So we are just hand tightening the bolt down. Tighten it by hand as much as we can. Then we'll get our little 5mm Allen key. We'll snug it down nicely. Make sure that you do one or two turns each side. So it seats properly. Nice. Doesn't need to be too tight. Only like an M6 bolt, so it's not going to take much for the thread to break. Make sure it's seated nicely. Nice. And then we'll plug the connector back in. So it clicks like that, and let's test it now. So the moment of truth, didn't actually have any fuel come out, so hopefully this should start up nicely. We'll just cycle the fuel pump. Nice. It's good so far. Let's see. Our tester come back online. So we'll go desired and common, craft merge. As you can see, this is now much better. It's pretty much bang on.